Hello friends, so it's 6 o'clock morning and I am leaving to my hometown Patna. So Patna is approx 2400 kilometers from Bangalore. So I'm not going there directly, riding till Patna. I will take halt in two places actually. So that's the plan. So if something goes wrong or I'm not on time, so I might take one more extra halt. Plan for today is I am continuously riding till Vijayawada. Visakhapatnam, sorry. Vijayawada is I think 600 and something kilometer. So for today I am expecting I should be driving at least 1000 kilometers. So actually I am 3 hours late from my schedule. I was about to leave at 3 o'clock morning, but since I was very excited and I took a lot of time for packing up my things. I will show my bike and everything later, how I have packed my bike for a long trip. So route what I have planned to follow is Chittoor Tirupati, then Ongole, Gudlur, Vijayawada, then Rajmundry, then Visakhapatnam. So that's the plan. We'll see how it's executing. So this is the old Chennai road what I am following. And one thing I forgot to mention, this is a solo ride. I'm going there because it's my native town and I'm going for a festival. Road is really good, so I'm easily maintaining a speed of 100 plus actually. So yes, 1000 kilometers is very far for a day. Even I am doing it the first time. Last time I have done 700 kilometers. That was from Bangalore to Kanyakumari. That is also not 700, 670, 80 kilometers something. So that was the longest bike trip I have ever done, or car trip also. Look at this. I think this is single road. So single road starts from here, and welcome to Andhra Pradesh. So I am entering in Andhra Pradesh now. So this is Andhra Pradesh RTO checkpost. What is this? What is this? Oh no. So after entering in Andhra Pradesh, I started getting some traffic. Road is not bad actually, but yes, a single road, that is the only problem. And because of traffic, my average speed is slowing down. Until now I have not taken a single break. So might be after some time, like once I'll find some good hotel or CCD something, I'll take a break for some time, like half an hour or 15 minutes. I don't know, that depends. Everyone is looking like I am some alien. 850 and I have covered 200 kilometers so far. Bhima's Vegans. This is the restaurant name where I had my breakfast. This bike is really very heavy to push. So I took almost half an hour break here. So actually it's quite hot in Andhra Pradesh. So temperature should be around 30, I guess. And it's good it's not raining, at least till now it didn't rain. I don't know what's gonna happen after that. Oh, finally I think I have got two-way road. So now I'm crossing Nellore Toll Plaza. I think Nellore should be 20-30 km from here. Nice. So AP Police is using Ford EcoSport. I really need to take a break. I am riding from almost last 3 and 4 hours continuously. I just took 5-minute break. That's it. Anyway, I have to have my this lunch. So I will stop for that somewhere. So time is actually 2 o'clock and it's time to refuel also. So let's refuel here. I think I should be getting at least power here. Oh, that's not good. Chalo, let's refuel. So bye bye. So this was some express dhaba where I had my lunch. So I will not say the food, but food was bad. It was okay. And it's 2:50 and so far I have covered 533 kilometers. Still to reach Visakhapatnam I have to cover 470 kilometers, 20 kilometers more. So I am feeling tired now. It's been almost 9.5 hours I have been riding, and I have taken break. That is not more than 1 hour. I am before Vijayawada. So Vijayawada should be around 670 kilometers something. So this is the exact same distance for Kanyakumari from Bangalore. Nice temple. After Ongole till Vijayawada, road is actually very nice. A 6-lane road. What is this? Okay. So Kolkata, Rajmundry, Bhubaneswar. I don't know which river is this. This is in Vijayawada. So I have seen this view from the train. So that is the train route, and that's it. Something is there on the hill. I don't know what is this. So looks like this is quite big city and beautiful city also. Unfortunately, actually till now it didn't rain. So it's good actually. So that's why I'm covering more distance. Otherwise, if it's raining, you cannot cover more distance. You have to stop or keep on moving with slow speed, which is not safe also. So Vijayawada is having a lot of signals also. If you are crossing in daytime, be ready, you will get some signals and some small traffic. So it's actually 5:20 and so far I have covered 705 kilometer and I still have to cover almost 300 kilometer more for Visakhapatnam.
So time to leave from Rajahmundry. Yesterday I couldn't vlog much because after Vijayawada I started raining a lot. So almost for 200 km I have ridden in rain. So I was not able to see properly on the road. Visibility was very less. So I decided to stay in Rajahmundry instead of Visakhapatnam. It's around 7:17 and I am leaving from Rajahmundry. So we'll see when I can reach Visakhapatnam. So plan for today I will try to reach Balasura or Balasur something, which is in Odisha. It's actually the border of Odisha and Bengal. So my plan is to go there and stay there today. So but before 8 I have to do check-in in the hotel. So I will try to reach there by 8 max, and after that I will leave. Means tomorrow I will leave from there and directly I will go to Patna.
चलो बाय बाय दोस्त. So it's 7:50 and I am leaving from Rajahmundry. So Visakhapatnam should be around 200 km from here. That is also new kind of saddlebag. Actually you can keep a lot of things in this kind of saddlebag. So far from Bangalore I have done 900 km. So right now I am going to some Ramakrishna beach, which is in Visakhapatnam. I will just pass by. I will not stay for long, or might be I'll stop and I'll just click some photos. So Andhra Pradesh is having a lot of Hanumanji's statue. Nice. This is a really big one. So Kolkata is 970 km from here. तो ATM है इसमें, ATM है ना. So this is Visakhapatnam toll gate. So that is Vizag Steel. So everyone is actually asking me, I'm doing India tour. And one guy came and he asked me how much you are going to get. I was wondering what to answer. So a lot of interceptors are there in this road. So this is Visakhapatnam Port Road. So this is Ramakrishna beach. So I need to find a place where I can stop and click some photos. Wow man, it's really beautiful. this is some submarine museum. I cannot go now because I'm short with some time.